Labeled as one of the biggest scams in the world, this scam was perpetrated by Bernard Madoff, a financier and investment advisor. Madoff founded Bernard Madoff Investment Securities LLC in 1960, offering investment management services to individuals, charities, and institutions. He promised clients consistent returns, regardless of market conditions, and delivered false statements and reports to back up his claims. He convinced investors to put their money into his fund, promising exclusive access to a secret investment strategy. Madoff used the money from new investors to pay returns to earlier investors, rather than generating revenue through legitimate investments. He also used client funds for personal expenses, business operations, and to support his luxurious lifestyle. The scam is estimated to have defrauded over 16,000 investors out of approximately $65 billion over several decades, making it one of the largest Ponzi schemes in history. Victims included individuals, celebrities, charities, and institutional investors, such as hedge funds and pension funds. Many investors were from the Jewish community, as Madoff was a prominent figure in Jewish philanthropic circles. In December 2008, Madoff's scheme was exposed when his clients requested $7 billion in withdrawals, which he was unable to fulfill. Madoff confessed to his sons, who reported him to authorities. He was arrested and charged with 11 counts of fraud, including securities fraud and mail fraud. Madoff was sentenced to 150 years in prison, the maximum allowed. His firm was liquidated and assets were distributed to victims through a compensation fund. The scandal led to increased scrutiny of financial regulations and calls for greater investor protection. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more content on fraud.